Morning students, 11th standard, first chapter matrices and determinants, exercise 1.2, sixth sum. If A equal to given the matrix, then show that the inverse of A is A itself. Its inverse matrix is A, we should do prove. So first one, A inverse we should find out, then we should find out determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to determinant of minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, 4, minus 4, 5. So it's a determinant value we should find out. So that is equal to, the first one is a minus 1 mod of the straight row and column element. What is the minus 3, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, minus 4, 5. Next symbol is minus 2 modulus of the straight row and the column element 4, 4, 4, 5. 4, 4, 4, 5. Next minus 2 determinant of the straight row and the column element 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4. It's a value we should find out. Minus 1 into minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. Minus is a symbol. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. So minus into minus plus 16 here. Minus 2. Next 4 5s are 20. Minus 4 4s are 16. Minus 2. 4 into minus 4 is minus 16. 4 3s are 12. Minus 12. Here one of the minus. Minus into minus plus 12. That is equal to, here minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 15 plus 16 is minus 15 plus 16 is 1. 1 into minus 1 is so 1. Minus 2. 20 minus 16 is 4. Minus 2. Minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4. So we should multiply this. Minus 1 into minus plus 1 is minus 1. 2 4s are 8, minus 8. 2 4s are 8. Minus into minus plus 8. So equal to minus 8 plus 8 is cancelled. What is the minus 1? This is a determinant of A. It's not equal to 0. So determinant of A not equal to 0, then determinant of A not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. So we should find out now. It's a A inverse. So adjoint A we should find out. Before adjoint A, before we should find out Aij, cofactor of A. Aij matrix is equal to. So first one, cofactor of minus 1 we should find out in the straight row and column element. What is the minus 3 4 mod of minus 3 4 minus 4 5 minus 4 5. Next minus is a symbol. Modulus of the straight cofactor of 2, the straight row and the column element 4 4 4 5 4 4 4 5. Next mod of, so plus minus plus. Next cofactor of minus 2 in the straight row and column element 4 minus 3 4 minus 4 4 minus 3 4 minus 4. Next cofactor of 4, the straight row and the column element 2 minus 2 minus 4 5. Here symbol is low, symbol is a plus. Next is what? Minus. Minus modulus of What is cofactor of 4 is a straight row and column eliminate. 2 minus 2 minus 4 5. 2 minus 2 minus 4 5. Minus 4 5. Next is the plus symbol. It's a modulus of cofactor of minus 3. The straight row and the column eliminate. Minus 1 minus 2 4 5. Minus 1 minus 2 4 5. Next is the symbol is minus modulus of cofactor of 4, the straight row and the column eliminate. Minus 1 2 4 minus 4. Minus 1 2 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. Next cofactor of 4 we should find out. Minus the symbol, next plus modulus of cofactor of 4, the straight row and the column eliminate. 2 minus 2 minus 3 4. 2 minus 2 minus 3 4. Next symbol is minus modulus of cofactor of minus 4, the straight row and the column eliminate. Minus 1 minus 2 4 4. Minus 1 minus 2 4 4. Next cofactor of 5 we should find out. Next symbol is plus modulus of cofactor of 5 is the straight row and column eliminate. Minus 1 2 4 minus 3. Minus 1 2 4 minus 3. So next we should find out its Aij, cofactor of A matrix. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. Minus 4 into plus 4 is minus 16. Already one of the minus here. Minus into minus plus 16. Next minus is a symbol. Minus of 4 5s are 20. Minus is a symbol. 4 4s are 16. Next 4 into minus 4 is minus 16. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. One of the minus here. Minus into minus plus 12. Next minus is a symbol. 2 5s are 10. Minus is a symbol. Minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. 4 into minus 2 is 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Minus into minus plus 8. Next minus is a symbol. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. 4 2s are 8. Here one of the symbol is what? Minus 8. Next is 2 4s are 8. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Here one of the minus 6. Minus of minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus into minus plus 8. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. 4 2s are 8. Minus 8. So this is a Aij matrix. What is minus 15 plus 6? Aij equal to the matrix of minus 15 plus 16 is plus 1. 20 minus 16 is plus 4. 4 into minus is minus 4. Next minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4. Next 10 minus 8 is 2 plus 2. Plus into minus is what? Minus 2. Minus 5 plus 8 is plus 3. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 into minus is plus 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. Minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4. Plus 4 into minus is what? Minus 4. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. This is Aij. We know that the formula Rga is equal to Aij transpose. Cofactor of A transpose is Rga. It's in the transpose matrix is Aij transpose we should find out. Rows are columns, columns are rows. 1 minus 4 is a row. Here we should write in the column 1 minus 4 minus 4. The second row is the second column, we should write minus 2 3 4. Minus 2 3 4. Next row, third row is the third column, we should change it is a 2 minus 4 minus 5. 2 minus 4 minus 5. We know that the formula A inverse we should find out. A inverse equal to, we know that the formula 1 divided by determinant of A into RGA is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A value, we know that minus 1. Substitute here minus 1. RGA matrices, we know that RGA is 1 minus 2 2 minus 4 3 minus 4 minus 4 4 minus 5. 1 divided by minus 1 is a minus 1. We should multiply by minus 1 inside. What is a 1 into symbol is changed. Plus is minus, minus is a plus. So what is here? Plus 1 is a minus 1. Minus 2 into minus is what? Plus 2. Minus 2. Next row. Plus minus into minus is a plus 4. Next row, minus into plus is a minus 3. Minus into minus is a plus 4. Minus into minus is a plus 4. Minus into plus is a minus 4. Minus into minus is a plus 5. So compare this A matrix and A inverse. Minus 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 2 minus 2 4 minus 3 4 4 minus 4 5. So inverse of A is therefore A inverse is A itself. A inverse is A matrix.